Hello everyone, this is Aaron from OneSide0.net and it's a new year, so happy new year everyone. And yet we are here again to introduce a new phone, and this is the Honor Magic V2. So in this video, we will go through an unboxing and a very simple overview on this phone. So before we proceed further, we hope that you can like and subscribe our video. And with that, let's check it out. Now let's get through the unboxing first. So this is the box of the Honor Magic V2. Once open up, so this is the device. Of course, there are all these notes over there telling you not to simply hold it the other way around and so on, and please take care of your phone. And this is the actual phone. There you go. Let's just continue quickly on the unboxing. This is the place where you get your SIM ejector and also your casing. This is the SIM ejector. This is the casing. We will explore more on this. This is the USB A to C. Oops, sorry. There you go. This is the USB A to C cable. And this should be the last part. As you may guess, this is the AC adapter. This is the Honor Supercharged 66 watt, which means with the Honor Magic V2, you can get fast charging. Also, if you wish to, you can actually get any compatible PD charger to actually charge the phone. Let's just start by opening up the case. So this is brand new. I have not even really unboxed this yet to find out. And would you look at that? This is actually the casing. So all you need to do is just clip on it, and there you go. One additional thing is this can act as a stand as well. So whenever you want to view on things, wanted to watch a movie or two, you can actually use this kickstand, and it will just sit right up nicely. Now, Honor really did a good job on this one, and this is probably one of the lightest foldable that you can find today. And why I say so? Because this is just weighted at 231 grams only. The thickness is measured at about 9.9 millimeter. So it is less than 10 mm only. They managed to do that through many innovations, through many research, and also their experience, whereby if you can remember, last year Honor did launch the Honor Magic VS. So this is the actual outlook of the phone. The front is obviously glass, and the back is also glass as well. But there is also a version with an eco leather back. And when it comes to the construction, this is made out of magnesium alloy frame. The folding mechanism is based on titanium alloy folding mechanism, which makes it smooth and durable, even if you open it up and down multiple times. This is actually the camera. This time around, they put in laser AF and also OIS. Due time, we will come out with a full review as well to see how this camera performs. But for now, I'll just attach maybe 1 or 2 pictures in this video so that you can have a sample look on the rear camera picture quality. All I can say is this device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. As more we discover on this device, we will actually have a full review, as I mentioned again, to talk about more on this device, how is the gaming performance, and so on. We are pretty much towards the last section. Let me just briefly tell you what is the size of the phone. And this is actually a 120Hz display, by the way. You can scroll, play games with a good touch sensitive rate. Continuing on the display, the size is actually measured at 7.92 inches in total. This is the cover display, measure at 6.43 inch. So both of the screen is running on a 120 Hz display. That's pretty much about it. Seriously, I'm gonna say this at the time, we will come out with a full review very soon, whether in video or in article mode through our website at onesitezero.net. But for now, this is pretty much about it, and we will also test some gaming performance on it so that you can actually get a rough idea on how this phone perform in the next few days. So stay tuned. This phone is gonna launch soon, alright? Especially in the markets where I live, which is Malaysia. It's gonna come soon in the next 2 to 3 days time. There is also a competition. All you need to do is find a V thing or V shape around you and snap a photo with it. I will share the details in my video description below so that you can click on it and perhaps you want to join, because there is a prize for it. 5 most excellent participants will have a chance to win a brand new Honor Watch 4, and the winner will be announced on the 16th of January 2024, which is the day where they will launch this phone. That is pretty much about it. My name is Aaron. Please stay tuned to us, like and share, subscribe our video, because we will create more contents like this. And with that said, take care. I'll see you soon.